Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about process and IO system calls. First, we are going to see write a C program to demonstrate fork, then wait and sleep system call, then find the display and find and display the number sum of even numbers in child process. They are asking even numbers in child process, and display the sum of an odd number in parent process where n is equal to 1 to 10. Okay, let's just demonstrate it. First, just asking for the code again. Just giving again. Mhm. Okay, here I'm just giving vi experiment 3.1.c. This is the program. I have already demonstrated the program. I'm just going to explain it here. Hash include studio.h, then hash include unistandard.h, then hash include sys types.h, then sys type sys weight.h. Then I'm just void display int range PID TF, then int I, e1 is equal to 0 and odd is equal to 0, then int n is equal to range, then f, then if f is greater than 0, then weight is null, then print the parent process, then just this is the odd, right? The parent process is odd, parent process is odd numbers in the parent process, so it's odd, incrementing by incrementing odd here. Then this goes for sleep 3, then printf sum of the odd numbers or, then percentage d, then new line, then odd, else it just goes for printf, then child process, then slash n. For I is equal to 2, I is greater than less than or equal to n, then I plus is equal to 2. This is for even, this is for, because it's child process, right? It's child process, it's even child process. Then sleep 3, then print and the sum of even numbers or, then percentage d slash n even, then just int main, then int range, print, enter the range of numbers, then scanf percentage d range, then pit t, f is equal to 4, then display range f, then return 0, then just closing here, close brackets here. I'm just going to execute it. Escape colon wq. Here I'm just going to give cc experiment 3.1.c. It shows no error, so I'm just going to execute it. So dot a dot out just shows that range is, I'm just giving this 10. Child process is ongoing, it's ongoing. Sum of even numbers are 30, then parent process, then sum of odd numbers are 25. Just executed that. Okay, now let's go for the second question here. Write a C program to show the current date using for, then exec, then system. This is the system calls, right? Also display the process ID bit, okay, of the parent and child. Use get bit and get bit. Okay, okay. Let's just execute it. Just connect. I'm just giving vi experiment 3.2.c. The program is already executed in here, which I just executed here. Here hash include studio.h, then hash include sys types.h, then I'm just giving hash include unistandard.h, then sys weight.h, then I'm just giving int main here and just giving pit t f is equal to 4. Then this is the child process, so parent process. For child process, I'm just giving if f is equal to 0, print that the child process is running. Then I'm just giving it new line, then print f, then then new line, child process id just shows the id in here, Here for that I'm just giving percentage d new line, then get bit, because they are told to use get bit and also get bit here. So get bit, then get bit here, then my parent id, yes, then percentage d is a new line, then get bit, then execl, then binary data, then plus percentage d null, then printf. This line will not be executed, otherwise it just goes here, else it just goes here for parent process. Wait null, printf the child process is executed, and we'll just execute. Okay, colon wq. Here I'm just going to see is there any error, so I'm just giving 3.2. See, no error, so I'm just going to execute it, so that this shows that child process is running, then child process id, then my parent id, then this line will not be executed, then the child process is executed successfully. Okay, now let's go for the third question here. Open an existing file and display the first 10 bytes of the file. Skip 15 bytes and display the file content. Append a new 10 bytes to the end of the file and display the entire file. Use open, read, write, then else, then close. Okay, we can just execute it. So I'm just giving vi 3.3.c here. Okay, I'm just executed here. Here hash include studio.h, then sys types.h, then hash include sys stat.h, then hash include, then fc until .h, then unistandard.h, then sys tips.h. Here int main, int n is n comma f character buffer. Here 128, f is equal to open content.txt o rdwr, then n is equal to read the file, f buff10, print f slash, this is new line, first 10 bytes are just shows here, then just shows new line here, then write 1 comma of n, then just prints the in the new line here, and seek f is equal to 15 seek cursor, then n is equal to seek cur, then n is equal to read f buff size of buff minus 1, then print f. Here I'm just giving a new line here, then file content, new line, write 1 comma buff n, print f, enter the new 10 bytes, then else seek f comma 0 comma seek end, then n is equal to read 0 buff 10, then write f comma buff comma n. Here else seek f comma 0 comma seek set, then n is equal to read f is equal to buff size of buff minus 1, then print f whole content of the file, just shows the whole content of the file in here, then new line, then writes 1 comma buff n, then print and it prints the new line, then just executes here. I'll just execute the program. Here I'm just going to see any error in here. There is no error, so I'm just going to execute it. This shows that first 10 bytes are, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then file content, then just shows enter new 10 bytes, then whole content of the file is 0 to 9. Thank you guys.